Okay, I got some of these permanent Christmas lights, and I've never had these before, but I really didn't want to use the 3M tape, and I really didn't want to put any holes or screws in the roof. So I whipped up a quick little 3D printed design that just clips into here onto this tin, because there's a little lip on the back of this, and these just slide in, and then there's a little cradle for the wires as well. So it just makes for a really nice, easy, clean, quick install of any type of these string lights. If you have, you know, a bunch of tin like we do on our house. But I just printed out a whole bunch of them on the old Bamboo Labs printer. But this is what they look like. These are just printed solid in ABS, and it's white. So this just slides in. This clip keeps it from coming out. And then this channel is where the wire runs through. But pretty simple, easy design. I think it'll work great.